Today's video is brought to you by Innovative Touch. In today's video, we're going to be working on the subfloor. We had a customer call saying that they wanted to get the floor around the tub and the sink area replaced, and the area around the tub has been soft from water damage. So what we're going to do is go to Home Depot, get us a couple supplies, see what we're going to need, get the job complete. Come on, take this floor up, take this vanity and this toilet out real quick. Yeah, now that we got the vanity and the toilet out, we're gonna start by taking off the floor, taking loose the baseboard, see what all we got to do next. So every time we go to remove baseboard, we always run a knife all the way along the top of the baseboard, along the top of the shoe molding if you have it, so that way it don't rip the sheetrock, it don't rip the paper, it don't rip the wallpaper. Now that we got a layer of this floor off, we can see better what we got to do. See what we got going on, get this cleaned up, see what we got. Now that we got this floor all up, we can see where the damage was actually at. So what we did was added some lumber in the bottom. That way we can support the floor better and strengthen up the area that was weak. Our first layer of flooring down. We're gonna come back, put our piece of 3/4 down on the ground, make it more solid. Our last piece of subfloor. Anytime you're doing subfloor, you always want to glue the floor down, so that way you can kind of prevent some of the squeaking from going on when you're walking on these old floors. Fit like an OJ glove. So while we're working, we're going to let this vinyl flooring lay out so that way it can get acclimated. That way it can lay flat to the floor, so when we put it in, ain't too many bubbles. So what we're doing, we're going to get the floor and lay it out so that way we can cut all the areas for the doorway. Every time you're doing some type of vinyl flooring, you always want to use some type of adhesive and use a resilient vinyl trowel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the glue on the floor evenly, so that way when we go to lay the flooring down and have something stick to the floor. So now we got the vinyl flooring in, we got our baseboard in, we got the vanity, we got the toilet in, we got everything around the tub caulked. Yeah, the people wanted to save the old baseboard they had, so we put that back in, to try to cut back on the cost.